Most people download Fetch Rewards expecting free money overnight. Then, after scanning a few receipts, they get disappointed and quit. But here's the truth no one tells you. Fetch Rewards is not about getting rich fast. It's about earning easy rewards from purchases you're already making. In this video, I'll give you an honest Fetch Rewards review for 2026. We'll talk about how the app works, how much you can realistically earn, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using today. Let's start with the basics immediately. Fetch Rewards is a cashback-style app that gives you points for uploading shopping receipts. You buy groceries, snacks, household items, or even restaurant meals, then scan the receipt using the app. The process is simple. Open the app, tap Scan, upload the receipt, and Fetch automatically reads eligible items. You then receive points that can later be redeemed for gift cards. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real value comes from bonus offers and partnered brands. If you buy promoted products, your points can increase much faster. For example, Alex bought a regular grocery order worth about $50. Without offers, he earned basic points. But when he purchased promoted snack brands and household products, his rewards increased significantly from the same shopping trip. But here's the problem. Many people think every receipt will earn huge rewards. That's not how Fetch works. Standard receipts usually earn small amounts unless they include bonus products or active offers. This is where most people fail. They ignore the offers tab completely. Smart users check the app before shopping so they can match their grocery list with current promotions. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to maximize your points without changing your normal spending habits. But first, let's talk about payouts. Fetch Rewards mainly pays through gift cards instead of direct PayPal cash. Popular options include Amazon, Target, Walmart, Starbucks, and many others. Redemption is usually simple and fully digital. Jake tested Fetch Rewards casually for 2 months. He scanned almost every grocery receipt and occasionally targeted bonus offers. By the end, he had earned enough for multiple gift cards without spending extra money just for rewards. Now let's be honest about the downsides. Fetch Rewards will not replace a job or create full-time income. Earnings are generally slow if you only scan random receipts without strategy. Also, some users dislike that rewards are mostly gift cards instead of direct bank withdrawals. But here's the upside. It's one of the easiest reward apps to use because it requires almost no extra effort. If you already shop regularly, scanning receipts takes only a few seconds. Another smart tip is combining Fetch Rewards with store coupons and cashback cards. That way, you stack savings instead of relying on one app alone. So is Fetch Rewards worth it in 2026? For casual users who want easy rewards from everyday shopping, yes. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and still widely used. Just keep realistic expectations. If this honest review helped you decide whether Fetch Rewards is worth using, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with how many points you've earned so far.